everybody, welcome to week 30. I hope you had a wonderful 3-day weekend. I did. It was a lot of fun. But now we're back to work. As I told you last week, it was our final week of PowerPoint because of the limitations of the online version. There are a lot more things that PowerPoint can do, and I posted them. So if you ever get a chance to check it out, it's really kind of interesting. So what we're going to be starting this week is we're going to be doing some coding. And it's really basic coding. Many of you have done Hour of Code. Some of you are actually really good coders. I know a few of you are. However, we're just going to start at the very beginning of what coding is, and then we're going to go into code.org, and we're going to be doing some lessons so that you can understand some of the basics. So you're in this before you begin. Here's the video that you're watching. Here is the PowerPoint, or oh, I guess I will put up the PDF. I put the wrong one up, but it's set up the same way it's always set up. We're back to 3 assignments this week because it isn't a short week and you don't have a project. So on Monday at 11, we will do the live version of going over all of this. And then you have assignment 1, 2, and 3. And on Wednesday at 11, it's office hours. You can ask questions, or we play games or something. So it's just some time for you guys to get together. This week is vocabulary. So we have vocabulary words. The essential question is, does coding qualify as a computer application? And you'll be able to understand what coding is, and you're going to use some online tutorials. So assignment 1 is basically you're going to watch a YouTube video. It's about 11 minutes long, and there is 12 questions that you will answer, just like if it was a worksheet. You will get to take it 3 times, so it's not a quiz, but I do want you to understand a few very interesting fun facts. So it's just some basics of what coding is. Assignment 2 is when you are going to go in and set up your code.org account. You are going to set it up. I'm not going to give you an account or a password. However, when you set up your account, you must use your first and last name, or I will have no way to give you credit for doing the work. There will be a code for each one of the class periods so that you go into the correct class period. And then once you have done all of that, you are going to do lesson 1, which is the dance party one, for those who have done Hour of Code or done some stuff before. There are 15 different little mini lessons within it. You have to complete them all. You don't just complete one of the 15. The whole 15 things is lesson 1. I will be able to tell if you've done it on my side. You do not have to submit anything to me saying that you finished it or anything like that. I will be able to tell when I log into code.org. It will give me your name and it'll tell me what you have and have not completed. And then last is vocabulary. Like I told you, if you go to the link, you can practice the words, and then when you're done, you'll take the quiz. The quiz is for only one time. You cannot take it multiple times, so please be careful and study before you open it. And that is what we will be doing this week. I know some of you have testing this week, so try to budget your time wisely. And as always, if you have any problems or questions, please let me know and by message me, or I will get back to you as soon as possible. All right, well, have a wonderful week, and I hope to see you guys soon.